Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Arlo's Track Time. We are in the garden again this week because the weather's nice. Look at that sun. And we've decided we're going to do a little bit of a secret garden track, and we're going to use this here is an old hedgehog house that's getting a little bit tired and rotten now. So Arlo wants to use it as a shed, but we think we're going to do a bit of a special shed with something a little extra. So we're going to get on with the build and then we'll show you what we've come up with afterwards. So are we ready, Arlo?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go then. Okay, so here we are. So like before, it's not the biggest track in the world, but it is pretty cool. So we've got our hedgehog house that we talked about, which is now a shed, but it has a secret escape, doesn't it, Arlo?
Mm-hmm.
So there's an escape tunnel at the back where the trains can come up and then they go through this little secret garden place, round past the terracotta pot, go over our big red bridge, and then we've got these stepping stones of rocks that help the track come back down to garden level, and then we're all the way back round to the start. It's pretty cool. So we're going to send some trains round now and see how they get on. Okay, so tell us what you're doing here.
A bit of more mud in the freight.
So the trucks have mud in them.
So
Proper freight train.
because don't keep falling over and keep it down.
I see. Have you got a train with a motor on it rather than Yong bow, and see if it can pull those all the way around?
But
What have we got that you think's strong enough?
Yong bow.
Salty'd be good, wouldn't it? But I think he needs new batteries.
Yes, we'll just have to.
Oh, look, we've got a friend come to see what we're doing.
What is it? Surprise.
It's a little snake.
Oh, hello.
Okay, so we have to use non-motorised Yong bow apparently, so we just reach in here and get it. There he comes, Liz. Okay. With all this heavy soil. Okay, so he needs to do the curvy bit past the pot. Managed?
Why is it too?
I don't know, I think they're looking for flowers, aren't they? Right, go on then, you take it around the other side.
Trouble on the bridge.
Trouble, I think there might be trouble in a minute. Do you think he's going to crash?
Yeah.
Sure.
No.
Oh, you're keeping him under control, are you?
Okay.
Wow. The soil has been safely delivered. So here's the beauty of our escape tunnel. Here's Gordon having a lovely time, just relaxing in the big shed. And then who's coming along to cause trouble? It's Diesel. Oh, the indignity. I'm off. Whoop. Where's he going? Where is he going? So Gordon's escaping. Going to get some peace and quiet.
I can't get you there because I have to go backwards.
Okay, so who's using the escape next, Arlo? And Lexi. So here they come, three ladies. Gina.
Like on Girls' Day, we used all of the
We
ladies.
did, yeah, on International Women's Day.
Bonjour.
There's Gina. And Rebecca. And Lexi. Oh, trying to climb over the bridge. Too powerful, Lexi. See them come round again.
Oh, they're gonna crash. Oh, yeah.
They get a bit stuck in the metro tunnel, don't they?
Wooden trains from Japan for my birthday.
They're all helping each other now, aren't they?
Yep.
I wonder if do you think we should try them the other way? See how they get on going backwards round.
I know they'll do it good the other way.
You just know
I
it.
know the one manages the hill already. So when
Oh
they
dear.
get,
Oh,
when they
Rebecca.
get to the train